Welcome back to another Southport 30 build update. So we're going to hop on board and see everything that Shannon and Jane have been hard at work on this Southport as we continue to get more of the Lumishore, the JL, the Garmin, everything getting installed on board this boat. So let's go check out and see what's going on board. All right, so as we hop on board, as you know, with all good builds, you're going to need a list. So we've got our list going here. We're checking everything off. We're getting everything kind of laid out and put together, figuring things out here. Like I said, we've got Jane over here. She is doing the power reels, getting those all installed there. So that's getting set up. Talked about yesterday. Seat here. Well, look at that. We've got our JL amp. We got another JL amp. We've got two Garmin sounder modules there. So all of that stuff's going in. We've got a nice clean blank slate here. This is all coming out. We're going to have just a very clean helm layout here. Basically just going to end up with 4 tactical buttons and the Merc vessel view down there. It's going to make for a very nice, very clean install. See in the overhead here, we've got the old lights out. We're getting ready to do our Lumishore lighting up there as well. So everything's really starting to come together on this build with the parts that we have on hand, because even now we are still part shortages on certain things, guys. So it's just the facts of life here as we work with this stuff. It's the new normal, they tell me. So that's what we've got. That is the wrap up for the Southport 30 build today. Stay tuned. We'll have more as this continues to get into the home stretch.